Have you been wondering why you're not making money on the internet? I know how you feel, guys. A lot of people have been hearing so many testimonies, so many successful stories from the people that have actually made money on the internet, and they're asking themselves, when will it be my turn? In today's video, guys, I am going to be showing you, revealing to you the reasons why you are not making money online. If you have been on the online space and you have been waiting for your day to come so that you'll be able to give testimonies and your own success stories, guys, calm down, because you are in the right place, and do not skip any part of this video. Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, my name is Ebys'Lady, and I'd like to welcome you back to my YouTube channel. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly please right now, please guys, subscribe to my channel so that anytime I post any videos, you'll be the first to get it. Now guys, let's dive into this video. Making money online is not a get rich quick scheme. Get quick rich scheme. It takes time, it takes consistency, and you need to be patient as well for you to be able to make money on the long term. You don't rush everything. You take it step by step, and definitely it's going to work for you. And you need these three fundamental things that are actually going to help you to make money on the internet. Number one is you need your smartphone, you need a computer or a laptop, and you also need a skill. If you don't have the skill, you can go and acquire it. There are many skills, a lot of skills that are flying everywhere, and you actually need to go and pick one for yourself and master the game. Right now, number one reason why you are not making money on the internet is that you lack knowledge of how to make money on the internet. Even the Bible went on to say that my people perish because they lack knowledge. If you don't have knowledge, education of a certain thing that you need to be able to make money on the internet, is not going to work. There are lots of resources. There are lots of, work. There are lots of books and courses that you need to take so that you'll be able to make money on the internet. Those things can help you. You can ask questions. You can have mentor. You can buy books. You can study so that you'll be able to know how it works so that you can be able to make money. The next thing, number two, is that you don't have any plan. There's no purpose. There's no business that doesn't have any business plan. If you want that business to be very, very successful, you actually need to have a plan. You actually need to have a business purpose. This is going to help you on your sense of direction. You will be able to know where you want to be in the next 1 year. You want to achieve something and say, okay, I need to make like $50,000, or I need to make like 50,000 naira, any amount, or I need to build up my followers in the next 5 months or 6 months or 1 year. And you are going to definitely work towards that. This purpose and plan is like a map that can help you to be able to make money. So you need to actually have a purpose and a plan for you to be able to make money online. The next one, number three, is that you market the wrong audience. Marketing on the internet, if you're doing your business and you're taking it to the wrong people, it will never generate sales. So you need to actually understand your audience. You need to know your target audience, know their needs and know their wants. In that way, you'll be able to work effectively, start to be able to generate sales. So right now, you need to start understanding your audience and work towards it, know their wants, work towards their needs. In that, you'll be able to achieve your goals. Then the next one is that you have a negative mindset. You need to turn away from that negative mindset and start thinking positively about your plans you have on the internet. A lot of people tell us about their testimonies, tell us about how they generated money, generated wealth on the internet. These testimonies are real. I myself have benefited on the internet, making sales on the internet, and it actually works. So you need to leverage and know how it works. Go and study how it works and start believing them right now that internet money really works. So when you now believe it, you now turn that your negativity to positivity, and it will start making money for you right now. Start working on a positive side. Do not argue anybody. Just go and check out, and before you know, you start making money on the internet. The next reason why you're not making money on the internet is that You have mental laziness. Mental laziness has to deal with the brain. You know everything and how it works, but you're not ready. You understand? You are not ready to push your brain and say, yes, I actually want to do this. And before you know it, you just keep calm and you're watching. There are things that you need to research. Get those things and research and know how it works. Push yourself to be able to get where you want. Nobody is going to do it for you. You are the only one that's actually going to do that, guys. The next reason why you are not making money on the internet is that you don't generate enough traffic. You don't have enough traffic. Making money on the internet is all about traffic generation that can be able to make you have money and make sales on the internet. And if you don't have enough traffic, there's no sales, guys. Just like the off market or offline. If nobody is visiting my office today, or customers coming to my line to make money, to buy things, customers are not coming to my office, stand for any business or any product or any services I'm rendering, and I'm not seeing anybody, even on the offline, is not definitely going to generate money for me. So you have to generate traffic. Work towards generating traffic on your internet and make sure your social media handles that you have enough followers. Optimize them. Understand? Use search engine optimization so that you'll be able to get people on board with you. So imagine that you place an ad and you're having like 2,000 views every day. From that 2,000 views, definitely 10% people will be able to like buy something from you. So imagine now you have 10,000 views. Definitely is going to be making money for you, guys. So leverage and make sure that you are generating traffic so that you'll be able to have sales online on your space. Then the next reason why you're not making money on the internet is that you are not ready to take action. You're not ready to execute your plans. If you have this particular thing that you want to do, you have this niche and you have built yourself. Business is all about taking risk. And if you are in a comfort zone and you don't want to come out from that comfort zone, definitely it's going to be very, very hard for you to be able to make money. So you need to step out of your comfort zone, take that risk. There's no business that doesn't have risk. When you fail, you stand up and keep moving. So be able to take action, be able to execute your plans, and that is the only way that you'll be able to make money on the internet. Then the next one, because I am still going to talk about this, but I'm going to stop here on this last plan I have today. In the next video, we'll continue from there. The next thing why you're not making money on the internet is that you don't know how to sell, you don't know how to market your product, you don't know how to market the services that you have. You need to go and acquire knowledge about how to make sales. There are sales skills you can go and learn, you can go and reach so that you'll be able to sell and function very, very well to be able to make money. When you are able to do some of these things, I've listed like 8 things that you'll be able to do so that you can be able to make money. I mentioned lack of knowledge. I mentioned a positive mindset. You have to remove that negative mindset out of you. Number 3, you need to have a purpose and a plan so that you can be able to make money on the internet. When you have all of this, it will be very, very easier for you to be able to make money on the internet. Guys, this is where I'm going to stop right now. If you enjoy watching my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. It's your baby girl, Ebys'Lady on the beat. See you next time, guys, and I love you. Bye bye.